Hey there, health warrior. Today we are diving deep into the world of pancreatic health and discussing three foods to repair your pancreatic health. Pancreas plays a crucial role in your body digestion and blood sugar regulation. So it's important to give it the love and care it deserves. So without further delay, let's start it. Before we jump into the food that can benefit your pancreas, let's take a moment to understand what this vital organ does. The pancreas is a small leaf-shaped gland located behind your stomach. It plays a dual role in your body by producing digestive enzymes that help break down food and hormones like insulin that regulate your body sugar level. When your pancreas is not functioning optimally, it can lead to serious health issues like diabetes and digestive problems. Food number 1, bilberries. Our first food to repair your pancreas health is the mighty blueberry. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the pancreas and improve insulin sensitivity. In addition, blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great snack option for those looking to support their pancreatic health. Food number 2, avocados. Next up on our list of food to repair your pancreas health is the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to improve the pancreatic function and decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. They contain a high amount of potassium which can help regulate blood sugar level and support overall pancreatic health. So go ahead and add some avocado slice to your salad or smoothies for a pancreas boosting treat. Food number 3, turmeric. Last but not least, we have turmeric, a spice that have been used for the centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to protect the pancreas from damage caused by oxidative stress and reduce the inflammation in the body. Adding turmeric to your cooking or enjoying a warm cup of turmeric tea can help support your pancreatic health and keep your digestion in top shape. That's all for today, health warriors. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoy this content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to nourish your body and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.